education in order to make learning exciting and productive with its good quality image and audio, excellent screen sharing quality. I am able to connect and attend my online classrooms and various competitions in an excellent and clear way without any interruption. Zoom is a boon. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Kabir Sheikh from 6B of NL Dalmia High School. 6 months back, who would have thought that schooling would be done through online classes? But as Stephen Hawking said, intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. And through the Zoom app, my teachers have made learning interesting, interactive and impeccable. Thank you Zoom for bringing my school to my home.
Hello everyone. The quote, learning together even when we are apart, perfectly fits the current situation. The teaching learning process should go on, and Zoom app has come as a great savior for all of us. Zoom has provided us the ability to connect synchronously with our students over video, audio, screen sharing and even text chat. The whiteboard feature has replaced our traditional chalkboard. Zoom secures our classroom meetings by its various security features. It is indeed the best learning experience for all of us. Thank you.
Learning to use Zoom as a web conferencing tool is essential for today's instructor. What I like about Zoom is the ability to create a simple screencast, for example, recording voice over presentations and share it with your students, and the ability to use written annotations on a whiteboard or directly onto the documents on your screen while sharing. Thank you.
The tools of education must change as we students desire increasing flexibility in where and how we learn. The virtual platform Zoom has brought a massive change in online education during these days. Zoom has surpassed my expectations because it is not only user-friendly and remarkable but also makes the online classes more dynamic. Zoom has proved a new school for us.
Amid this pandemic, remote virtual learning has become the new normal for students. Zoom has democratized video conferencing not only for online school learning but also for co-curriculum activities. What I like the most is that I can see everyone in the meeting as if I was in school. Zoom deserves its popularity due to its impressive performance, overall stability and a wide area of features. I would not hesitate to say that Zoom has become a prominent new fixture in our life.
Zoom is an easy to use app. It's a powerful virtual classroom. It helps me to share my PPTs and videos and record the same for the children. Children enjoy Zoom breakout rooms and they discuss, and obviously the learning outcome is tremendous. Children enjoy the emojis, the reactions by raising hands, claps and thumbs up. I heartily thank NL Dalmia High School who has given me the opportunity to use Zoom. Thank you.
When school campuses around the world are closed due to this pandemic situation, Zoom has become a household name. With its unique features like sharing the screen where we can constructively show the videos, PPTs and even use the whiteboard, Zoom is helping us to have a fruitful teaching learning process. It is the best tool of nullifying the concept of social distancing, where we can easily reach to our children to give them the best teaching learning experience ever. Thank you.
During this time of isolation, we at Zoom feel incredibly privileged to be in a position where we can stay connected. After reviewing a number of softwares, we had come to a conclusion that Zoom is the most user-friendly app which can be used for audio-visual meetings.
Zoom online classes. In this radical era of changes and development, our entire world is experiencing a global lockdown due to COVID-19. In this puzzling situation, Zoom, an online meeting platform, emerged as the messiah for the entire world. Zoom has now become one of the leading apps in the world due to its user-friendly attributes, which can be used by anyone without the requirement of expertise in the fields of technology.
With Zoom app, taking virtual classes become easy and it is possible to do most of the activities that can be done in a real classroom. The control mechanism which this app gives to the host is unique and helpful. like waiting room, disable chat, muting options at the discretion of host, sharing screen, recording meetings. Some additional features like breakout room makes it possible to organize group-based activities. Then monitoring attendance is a lot easier with Zoom app, as the report can be generated on daily basis and at consolidated level.
I see Charles Darwin's words coming true in this phase of the pandemic. Survival of the fittest. And to survive, adjustment is extremely important. We have easily adjusted from a classroom teaching to virtual teaching. Zoom app has been a wonderful platform for this adjustment. The classes on Zoom are easy and smooth. Things were uncomfortable at the beginning, but the adjustment is the word, and now teaching is fun.
Everyone, my name is Rohan Singh. So one of the great features of Zoom is the mic button. So if you are muted and everyone cannot hear you, so you get a pop-up message saying that you are muted. So that is one of the great features. And then another one is the breakout room, because for us students we're not able to meet during this pandemic. So the host assigns us this breakout room, and then we can talk to each other and the host can't listen. So that's the main part. Thank
Hi
you.
everyone. I, Nayak Agarwal, would like to speak about some amazing features of Zoom. To begin with, I would like to talk about the screen share feature provided by Zoom. This feature enables the teacher, that is the host, to screen share the presentations and videos along with the audios, which makes our learning much easier. Another feature which I would like to talk about is the breakout room feature. During this pandemic, Zoom has provided us with a platform to create separate rooms in a virtual environment that allow us to have a group discussion with our friends and classmates, and it is nothing short of a real environment experience.
Due to pandemic, I experienced shift from regular class to virtual class, and this shift has been amazing because of Zoom, as it connects me with my students. The polls act as icebreaker while breakout room energizes the class, which ensures students' engagement with chest. Though they are far, still Zoom connects me digitally. Thank you, Zoom.
नमस्ते, मैं सीमा सिंह। आप सभी इस बात से तो परिचित हैं, कोरोना महामारी ने शिक्षा के माध्यम बदल दिए हैं। आज हम शिक्षा जूम ऐप के द्वारा देने लगे हैं। जूम ऐप मीटिंग शेड्यूल करने से लेकर एग्ज़ाम तक का सफ़र मेरे लिए बहुत ही रोचक था। बच्चों से वर्चुअली हैंड रेस करवाना, ब्रेकआउट रूम में बच्चों को कुछ पॉइंट देकर उन्हें डिस्कस करने का मौका देना, स्क्रीन शेयर करते करते उनको नॉलेज शेयर करना, ये सब मेरे लिए अलग था। यहाँ तक कि एग्ज़ाम लेने का तरीका, यह सब एक नया ही शिक्षा का माध्यम बन गया। सच कहूँ तो मुझे जूम ऐप पे पढ़ाना बहुत ही अच्छा लगने लगा है। धन्यवाद।
Zoom has now become an integral part of our lives. I personally spend around 5 to 6 hours per day on it. My opinion is that it is the most practical solution available to today's problem, but the actual classroom education was way better than this. But since modern problems require modern solutions, we need to adapt to it and thus get out the best of ourselves.
Hey Mansi, what are you doing?
Just getting ready for my next Zoom meeting.
Your opinion about Zoom?
Well, it is because of Zoom that I'm able to study so effectively even during lockdown. And I'm sure my friends feel the same too. More recently, I've also started attending dance classes in Zoom. Initially, I had some security priorities, but then the latest version I'm using right now, that is Zoom 5.0, promises to be end-to-end encrypted and totally secure. So overall, I'd just say that Zoom is the modern day avatar of live classroom sessions.
Any suggestion to your fellow users?
Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep Zoom.
My name is Pooja Khanna and I'm a parent to a Zoom girl, if I may so call her. It's been a relief that post the COVID-19 disruption in school schedules, online classes are being conducted by Dalmia on the Zoom platform. It's been a boon that Zoom, with its ease of operation, has caught on with the kids. Features such as specific member interaction and the search option for participants has made the usage of Zoom quite popular. It is a very user-friendly app indeed.
Hello everyone, my name is Sujata Iyer, mother of Methan Shayyar from grade 7. Today, when the entire world is dependent on online learning, I'm glad that the school has incorporated Zoom app for the same. It is not only safe and secured for our children, but its special features like
screen share, annotation, chat, reactions, breakup rooms, and many others.
Makes learning not only interesting but very effective. Thank you.
Thank